Here are 13 indicators of hormone imbalance in women and natural remedies. One of the most prevalent symptoms of a hormonal imbalance is a breakout of pimples or whiteheads on the skin. These are brought on by high levels of androgen and insulin, which cause the skin's glands to produce excessive amounts of oil, which in turn causes infection and swelling. Although hormonal problems are most common during puberty, they can occur at any age. Berberine can help balance these hormones, as can avoiding refined carbohydrates and sugar. And later in the video, we'll discuss solutions in more detail. Second, hot flashes, also known as hot flushes, are defined as an extreme wave of heat or warmth that occurs in your face, neck, and chest. Your skin may also turn red, giving the appearance of blushing, and your heart rate may start to accelerate. Hot flashes are a typical side effect of menopause or birth control tablets, and they are caused by a decline in estrogen levels that can impact the thyroid and hypothalamus. Hot flashes can be effectively treated with natural therapies, such as evening primrose oil and sea kelp capsules. Your cortisol levels are probably elevated. Your adrenal glands emit the stress hormone cortisol when your body senses danger. You can reduce cortisol levels naturally by consuming magnesium, L-threonate, eating nutritional yeast daily to supply vitamin B1, and finding methods to unwind and wind down. Fourth, erratic times. Your monthly cycle should be normal, with an average of 28 days. However, some women may experience cycles of 21 to 40 days. If your cycles become irregular, ending or starting at random, it may indicate that your levels of progesterone and estrogen are out of balance. Using DIM and chasteberry supplements in conjunction with a low-carbohydrate diet, such as the ketogenic or carnivore diet, can significantly enhance hormone balance. The fifth is unexpected hair loss. Your hair follicles are shrinking due to high levels of VIT, a hormone. If you notice that your hair is abruptly thinning down across your scalp, especially at the crown, after experiencing a significant stressful event, such as birthing surgery or extreme emotional stress, high cortisol levels can also lead to hair loss. Glycinate and trace minerals work wonders for hair restoration when combined with a scalp application of rosemary oil. Sixth, if you feel satisfied after eating, sugar cravings. However, if you are still craving something sweet, you probably have high blood insulin levels due to insulin resistance, a chemical imbalance brought on by years of consuming an excessive amount of sugar or refined carbs. Intermittent fasting supplements containing chromium and berberine can all assist to normalize your insulin levels. Seventh, low libido and dry vagina are frequent in women after menopause, but can occur at any stage of life. The reason for this is typically low levels of either estrogen or testosterone, as both hormones are necessary to maintain a healthy reproductive system in the ideal balance. Maca root, ginseng, and more exercise are natural remedies for low libido. The eighth condition is breast discomfort due to estrogen dominance, which occurs when the body produces an excessive amount of estrogen. This condition can make the breasts bloated or sensitive, especially right before a menstrual cycle. This is a well-known sign of hormonal imbalance. If you have too much estrogen, you can also notice a heavier flow. Seafoods are a good source of zinc and iodine. Increasing your intake of mineral water and cruciferous veggies can help with this issue. Face hair is number 9. Women who start developing facial hair typically have polycystic ovarian syndrome. Excess male androgen hormones in the body can also lead to hair growth on the chest and back in some situations. Consuming too many refined carbs and developing insulin resistance are the causes of this. 10th, increased insulin resistance and higher insulin levels. Anabolic hormones that induce skin cells to proliferate too quickly and result in new clusters of skin tags, causing new skin tags to grow on body folds like the neck and armpits. Treat this in the same manner that you would reverse prediabetes by utilizing berberine and fasting to reduce your carb intake. 11th, recurring infections. Your immune system needs vitamin D to help heal you when you're sick and to prevent infection. If an adult woman frequently gets the flu or colds more than 3 times a year, this may be a sign that her vitamin D levels are low. You can raise your vitamin D levels by taking 10,000 international units of vitamin D3 per day or by exposing your skin to the sun. Number 12. Eyebrow thinning. Should you observe that the outer third of your eyebrows are becoming thinner, you probably have hypothyroidism. This disorder is characterized by an underactive thyroid gland that produces insufficient thyroid hormones, which can interfere with regular hair growth cycles and cause your eyebrow hair to shed more quickly than it grows. The body experiences hormonal changes when a woman approaches menopause, which can result in mental fog, loss of concentration, and difficulty remembering new memories. Taking selenium oxbile and concentrating on liver cleansing can help to enhance thyroid hormones. Despite the fact that this is typically only momentary, it indicates an imbalance in either insulin, cortisol, testosterone, or estrogen. Regardless of the underlying cause, you can use MCT oil regularly to assist nourish the brain with ketones. You may wish to know what some of the key reasons and triggers of hormone imbalance in modern culture are before making this move and following the actions I discuss later to assist bring everything back into balance. To begin with, the majority of fruits and vegetables that are grown commercially are sprayed with pesticides and herbicides, which can disrupt the delicate hormone balance, particularly in the female body. Additionally, birth control pills contain synthetic hormones that can weaken your own glands and frequently cause symptoms of hormonal imbalance. High levels of inflammation and insulin resistance are brought on by sugary meals and vegetable oils, and these factors cascade into many of the topics we covered in this video. High levels of emotional stress or sleep deprivation can increase cortisol, the stress hormone that wreaks havoc on the body, particularly during menopause. You can also affect your hormones by not getting enough trace minerals from your diet, such as zinc and copper from seafood and sea vegetables, or by consuming chemicals sprayed on non-organic surfaces like BPA and phthalates found in plastic bottles and makeup products. Tampons made of cotton have also been connected to heavy menstrual cycles, cysts, and hormonal abnormalities. One of the best natural ways to balance hormones in women is to take a 2,000 milligrams supplement of evening primrose oil daily. Make sure the bottle indicates that each dose contains at least 80 milligrams of gamma-linolenic acid, GLA. This oil also improves the health of the skin, hair, and nails. Fasting, the best method to heal your glands, is to eat everything during a fixed 8-hour window each day and drink just water outside of these times. Regular exercise is vital to rebalance hormones and reverse conditions like metabolic syndrome. For those with elevated estrogen levels, berberine and cinnamon can help improve blood sugar levels and reverse insulin resistance by boosting circulation and aiding in the liver's detoxification of hormone-disturbing chemicals. Additionally, adding cinnamon to food can help your pancreas produce more sensitive insulin, which in turn promotes hormone balance throughout the body. In addition to switching to organic fruit and limiting or avoiding conventionally sprayed meals, you should definitely start using organic cotton tampons and sanitary goods. Traces of minerals: consume items like nutritional yeast and begin adding Celtic sea salt to your diet to increase your intake of trace minerals. Sea kelp, kombu, shrimp, avocados, pumpkin seeds, and Brazil nuts are rich sources of trace elements, zinc, selenium, and chromium that help maintain hormonal balance. Minimal carb: adopt a nutritious low-carb diet, such as the ketogenic diet, to help the liver get rid of any fatty deposits so that it can function as a hormone balancer. To assist your glands release the appropriate quantity of hormones, you can also take a daily supplement that contains 10,000 international units of vitamin D3 and 100 micrograms of vitamin K2. This dosage helps to reduce inflammation in your thyroid, pancreas, ovaries, and other glands. Good fats: avoid inflammatory vegetable oils. Start using more grass-fed butter, ghee, and raw coconut oil. and eat a lot of oily seafood like salmon, sardines, and mackerel. Your body needs cholesterol and saturated fats to produce steroid hormones. Enhance your sleep, relieve stress, and lower cortisol naturally by obtaining an additional hour of sleep each night, turning off all electronics, turning off all lights, and keeping the room a little colder. This will increase melatonin and support the hypothalamus and pituitary, brain's master glands that regulate all other hormones. For a deeper look at vitamins and supplements to balance hormones in women. In conclusion, recognizing the signs of hormonal imbalance in women is crucial for maintaining overall health and well-being. From irregular menstrual cycles and unexplained weight gain to chronic fatigue and mood swings, these symptoms can significantly impact your daily life. It's essential to pay attention to your body's signals and consult with healthcare professionals to determine the best course of action for your unique situation. Balancing hormones often involves a combination of lifestyle changes, dietary adjustments, and sometimes medical interventions. Being aware of these indicators gives you the ability to manage your health, whether it's through managing stress, ensuring a balanced diet, getting regular exercise, or seeking professional medical advice. There are numerous ways to address and mitigate the effects of hormonal imbalances. Additionally, certain supplements and herbal remedies may be beneficial, but it's important to approach these options with caution and under the guidance of a healthcare provider. Sometimes, medical treatments such as hormone replacement therapy or medications may be necessary, depending on the underlying cause of the imbalance. Remember, your health is a priority, and taking proactive steps can lead to a more balanced and fulfilling life. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into the signs of hormonal imbalance and how to address them. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family who might benefit from it, and don't forget to subscribe to Health Angel Solutions for more health tips and wellness advice. Your support helps us create more content to help you live a healthier, happier life. Thank you for watching, and take care of yourself.